So my name is Will Jimenez and I represent Kilowatt Solar. So what a lot of people do not know about solar is that solar is an actual savings investment. It's the only investment that you can actually make that's going to save you money on a per month. So we started off as an installation company. Our expertise was installing solar panels. We have grown in the last year and a half now into sales, but our expertise comes from installing solar itself. Good installation is important because it's a key factor. You're putting a system that's expensive, there's electrical components. You want to make sure that your roof is not going to have any leaks. Basically, being able to do a good installation. Most of our business is based on referral, and that has helped us grow in our company to where we're at now. So we're passionate about helping people go green, helping people save money. We're passionate about being able to offer the latest in technology in solar. American-made products is one of the key things that we're really pushing. Viewers can contact us at our toll-free number. We have 4 different locations. Our number is 877-72-SOLAR. And feel free to give us a call there, and we'll more than gladly schedule an appointment and do a site survey and do it with an energy consultant that can come to your house and review your energy bill and see basically what type of solution you need as far as how many panels in order to be able to provide you a complete solution.